Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming hardware readiness and why that matters. Firmware mismatches block pairing. Power the controller off, then press and hold the small pair button for 3 to 5 seconds so the Xbox light blinks rapidly. This signals Bluetooth discovery mode. Once done, open your device's Bluetooth menu immediately. Make sure the device is close, within 3 meters, to avoid interference. If you're pairing to a Windows PC or phone, keep the OS Bluetooth settings visible so you can select the controller as soon as it appears. You now choose the device and complete the connection. This step is about accuracy. In Bluetooth settings, pick Xbox wireless controller. If you see duplicates, disconnect others to avoid wrong pairing. Once selected, the system will exchange profiles and assign inputs. This can take a few seconds. Make sure to test immediately. Press the Xbox button, then open a controller tester or launch a quick game to confirm thumbsticks and buttons map correctly. If input lags, move away from other wireless devices and retry. You finish by stabilizing the setup and handling common failures. After connecting, install any controller firmware updates in the Xbox Accessories app. Updates fix bugs that cause dropouts. If the controller won't stay connected, remove it from Bluetooth devices, restart Bluetooth on the host, then repeat pairing. This clears stale profiles. As a final tip, if nothing works, plug the controller in via USB to isolate whether Bluetooth or hardware is the issue. Use this test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.